Welcome back to Summarize Science. Today, we're looking at a huge leap forward in humanoid robotics called Twist 2. Humanoid robots have long been a dream, but teaching them to move and act like us is incredibly difficult. Traditionally, you need an expensive Hollywood-style motion capture studio to record human movements for a robot to copy. Other methods often result in clunky control, where you might control the arms separately from the legs. Researchers have now introduced Twist 2, a system designed to be portable, affordable, and holistic. Holistic means it controls the entire robot body at once, from its feet to its fingertips, just like a person. The amazing part is how they do it, with a commercially available VR headset, the Pico 4, and a few extra trackers. This setup costs only around $1,000, a tiny fraction of a traditional mocap system. They also designed a custom, low-cost 2-axis neck for the robot, allowing it to look around naturally. This gives the human operator an immersive first-person view from the robot's perspective, which is crucial for complex tasks. Here's the basic idea. A person wears the VR gear, and their full body movements are streamed directly to the robot. A sophisticated software layer then translates, or retargets, the human's motion onto the robot's different body shape. Using this system, an operator can teleoperate the robot with incredible dexterity. Look at this footage of the robot performing long, complex tasks like carefully folding towels. It can also perform mobile manipulation, like picking up baskets and carrying them through a doorway. Notice how the robot's entire body, including its legs and torso, moves fluidly to accomplish the task. Because the system is so intuitive and easy to use, the researchers could collect demonstration data at an incredible speed. They report collecting 100 successful pick-and-place demonstrations in just 15 to 20 minutes. But here's where it gets truly exciting. All that collected data is used to teach an AI. After being trained on human demonstrations, the robot can perform tasks all by itself. Here we see the robot autonomously performing a whole-body pick-and-place task, grabbing a cup and putting it in a box. And in another amazing demonstration, it uses its foot to kick a T-shaped box towards a target. This shows the system can learn not just manipulation, but also dynamic skills that require balance and coordination. The researchers found that features like stereo vision for depth perception and the active neck for a wider field of view were essential for success. So let's recap the key breakthroughs here. Twist 2 is a portable and low-cost system that uses VR for full-body humanoid robot control. This enables rapid collection of high-quality data showing how to perform complex, real-world tasks. This data can then be used to train autonomous AI policies that let the robot operate on its own. The implications for the future are massive. This kind of technology could dramatically accelerate the development of capable humanoid robots. We could see robots learning to do household chores or factory work simply by watching a human do it first. Twist 2 is a huge step towards making versatile, human-like robots a part of our everyday lives. Thanks for watching Summarize Science.